Meaning of denier.
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 Denier. The word denier refers to a person who doubts or dismisses the existence or reality of something, typically a widely accepted fact or belief. This term is often used in the context of climate change, where climate change deniers reject the scientific consensus that human activities are causing global warming and its dangerous consequences. The denial of climate change has been linked to political and economic interests, as well as a lack of understanding of the science. However, denying the reality of climate change can have significant negative impacts on the environment and society as a whole.